guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen, and in today's video I am sharing with you guys a deep clean of my master bathroom. This bathroom needed a lot of attention. Now I clean it on a weekly basis, but it needed some serious deep cleaning in the shower and deep cleaning in the toilet. Because I have a ring that I have been trying to get rid of forever and couldn't figure out how to do it. But I finally figured it out, and I've got a ton of grime out of the shower because I have that builder grade metal shower frame, and if you have those, you know how ugly they can get even when you wash them or clean them all the time. So I'm using the CLR bath and kitchen foam spray that I had in my laundry room. I've had for a while, and I had forgotten that I even had it there. I originally bought it, I think, to try to remove the stain from the ring from the toilet, and it didn't work, and then I put it away, not even really looking at it or thinking about using it for anything else. And then I saw another YouTuber using it in her bathroom, and I saw how amazing it was, and then I remembered I had it in my laundry room. So I sprayed it into the shower, and then I went ahead and started cleaning up the toilet and just giving it a good clean before I started trying to get the ring off.
It is like it is, and open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Once I wiped the toilet down, I just went ahead and put the Cling On liquid gel in there and let it sit while I went back to the shower and started scrubbing over there.
Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I definitely put a lot of elbow grease into that shower. The CLR spray helped a ton to remove all of that grime, but I wanted to make sure that I was giving the shower a really good deep clean and a good scrub. And I'm going to show you in a minute here just how it turned out. So this is how it turned out. All that rust and grime was removed. And then I went back to the toilet to go ahead and clean it so I can get started on scrubbing that ring out. So what I found was this scouring stick. I bought it at Walmart a few weeks ago, and I've had it in the laundry room just waiting for me to have the time to get in there and really scrub that ring out. And let me tell you, it was like magic. It took a little bit of elbow grease. All of this stuff took some elbow grease, hence why it is deep cleaning, because this is not daily clean or weekly clean that I would usually get done. But look at how amazing that stone just took everything out of there. I'm so excited that I finally found something that actually worked. So then I went ahead and continued to just clean around the toilet and all of those little crevices that normally I may not get into. Now, just a disclaimer here, before I started washing this sink, I did wash my gloves. I always wash my gloves if I'm going to use, but especially because I was using a lot of bleach, I didn't want my hands to get irritated. So, just so that you know.
Inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
And I don't know about you, but my master bathroom is the one place that gets really dusty. And I really, really wanted to give these baseboards a really good scrub and clean them up because they were just looking really grimy.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Alright ladies, now I know this might look really weird, but if you have as many issues as I do with having hair all over the floor and it driving you crazy, a broom is not going to cut it, so I just went ahead and passed a vacuum in here because sometimes it just picks up all that hair a lot easier than trying to sweep it out.
Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
So after all of that work, I am happy to say that my bathroom is finally off of my spring cleaning checklist. I am doing it little by little, guys, especially with now being at home all the time with the kids. It is not really easy to try to get some of these things done, but I'm glad that I did, and I hope this inspired you to tackle something on your spring cleaning to-do list or just your to-do list in general. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe, guys.
Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it